In front of me is OPPO A74 5G, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store, then tap on More icon. On More icon, okay, so there's no more icon right now, so just click on Hard Reset on your icon and then click on My Apps and Games. And here you've got all apps that will be updated, and you can either update one particular application, for example Google Chrome, by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or you can stop it and update all apps at once. Just click on Update All and then it will be done. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, and here the latest versions of your apps will be downloaded and then installed. So this is it. This is how you can update apps in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.